for crypto enthusiasts and confidence in this asset class.
Andrew, describe the crypto investment opportunities.
So, the primary investment strategy for the retail investors is in their belief that Bitcoin or Ethereum will go up over time. So, investing in Bitcoin is essentially a strategy to invest in an asset which has characteristics like gold and offers investors a store of value as well as diversification, while investing in Ethereum is more of a play on investing in blockchain technology. Here you simply subscribe to an app, purchase your crypto, and hope it goes in the right direction. If you want to spread your risk, you could invest in a type of ETF fund through an app that bundles the top performing cryptos, and these have become quite commonplace with allocations beyond the ubiquitous Bitcoin and Ethereum into various altcoins and stablecoins. For the more experienced and technically minded, you can perform arbitrage, whereby you look for price inefficiencies between the currencies and the exchanges and trade in and out, trying to make a profit. But this is best left to the experienced investors